Culling and editing can really eat up your time, but which AI tool is built for professional workflows? Hey, I'm Taylor, photographer and creative, and today we're going to compare both Evoto and Narrative to see which one will be your go-to workflow solution. First up, we have culling. How quickly can I sort through my images? With Evoto, there's actually no culling capabilities, no image rating, no grouping, or no AI assessment tools. It's strictly a batch portrait editing tool. However, Narrative offers full AI-powered culling, instant raw import, focus and eye assessment, first pass ranking, smart scene view grouping, and close-up panel with face zoom. All local and all real time. Now for speed and workflow. Evoto requires exporting from Lightroom or Capture One, uploading to its app, and then re-importing or manually managing exports. Narrative offers instant raw ingest from multiple cards, thumbnail rendering within seconds, and a zero-wait workflow. Okay, now for AI editing quality and accuracy. Evoto is primarily a portrait retouching tool with skin smoothing, defizz, glare correction, and presets, which are all great features. However, Evoto offers no AI training based on your Lightroom edits and does not adapt over time. Narrative includes unlimited editing with AI presets, a custom personal AI preset trained on your own editing style, instant Lightroom Classic XMP export with every edit, and continuously improving your personal AI preset as you fine-tune it within Lightroom Classic. Alright, so workflow integration and control. Evoto is a separate app, meaning manual export and imports and no Lightroom sync. Narrative is also a separate app, but its one-click ship feature sends your selected images direct into Lightroom or Capture One or Photoshop. You can also apply an AI edit on your images that are being sent direct to Lightroom Classic, and these can be altered or edited however you want when you're in Lightroom. Next up, we have Creative Oversight. In Evoto, you choose presets and edits, and you apply these automatically, little to no oversight or selective control. In Narrative, you can review every AI edit before it reaches Lightroom. You can tweak, exclude, or reprocess photos before the final export, ensuring full creative control. Alright, and now it's time for the final results. Evoto is a leading tool for portrait retouching, but unfortunately it's just missing some of the tools that professionals demand. Narrative is optimized for pro workflows. You've got the lightning fast culling, the Lightroom integration, you've got the AI tools, and also you've got prices that make sense to you. Download Narrative for free today and give it a go for yourself, and see which tool works best for you. See you next time.